Hello and welcome back to my room. First of all, I just want to say thank you for 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. It's genuinely such a big number for me. So I want to just say thank you to everyone who has given me support, and I've just been receiving a lot of love lately, and I want to thank you all so much. My fashion videos have been pretty popular, and so I'm gonna take that as a hint and do a little bit more fashion videos in the future. And I think my goal for this year is really just to keep being consistent with my channel. And yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has actually watched my videos, bothered liking, bothered commenting. Thank you so much. If you have any video suggestions or things that you want to just see, just comment or DM me on Instagram. Everything's in the description. You can just check it out there. Yeah, I love all the comments. Thank you so much. I reply to basically all of them, so thank you so much for all the support. And onto the video. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my 2020 favorites. So these are things that help make my life a little bit more interesting during this time, but also just I think will continue to be my favorites in the coming years. So here we go. So the first thing that has just made my life a little bit more interesting and has become a new favorite is Chinese chess. This is a different version of chess. I just recently learned this. I learned this maybe like a week ago, and I haven't stopped playing. I've been playing every day with my parents, with my relatives, with my friends. So I have just become obsessed with it. Maybe it's just because I've watched Queen's Gambit and kind of feeling like Beth Harmon out here being all smart and stuff. Obviously, most of the time it does give me a headache because of how cerebral it is, but I enjoy it. I enjoy having my brain scrunched up into a ball and my hands just cramping up and my eyes tearing up. You know, I love that. So that's been a new favorite. So in Chinese it's called jewellry, or in Canto it's called jewellry, and it is slightly different to Western chess. Yeah, I think it's just so fun. I love it. Board games have been an absolute favorite. Another board game that has been a favorite is Chinese checkers, but I've been playing this for years already. So basically play with my brother whenever there's like some spare time, like whenever we're just like, you wanna play ball DK? Yeah, let's do it. And we just play like a couple rounds, and it's so fun. And I love that it's like the perfect duration for a board game, in my opinion, because it's not like super quick, but it doesn't take like 30 minutes like jewelry sometimes does. Yeah, board games just been a lifesaver. Next is a tumbler, and by that I mean like this, a drink tumbler. So this one is from Typo. This is something that I got really recently actually, but has been saving my life. And since we're not going out, like this is perfectly fine to bring around the house, put on your desk, whatever, use it at home, and you can like smoothies, coffee, whatever. It's so cute, and I love the sensation of holding a drink like this and like sipping on it. It's something. It's like the same kind of psychological thing about getting a Starbucks cup and drinking from it and holding a drink in your hand. There's just something psychological about that we sometimes crave and love. But yeah, this has been a real good thing, and it totally helps that it is such a cute pattern. Next is my short hair. So I've been a long hair girl for basically my whole life. Even when I had shorter hair, I've always wanted long hair, or I hated it, and I just always felt that I was a long hair girl. It's gotten a little bit longer now. I would say maybe my favorite is my hair, not just short hair in general, because I cut my hair to pretty short, like shoulder length. So it's grown out quite a lot, but I just really like the look of it. I think it goes well with outfits. like better with outfits. Is that weird? I don't know. I just feel really powerful in short hair. Yeah, I also really love, fucking love, I'm obsessed with my hair color. I never had a full head of hair one color and so light before. I've never fully bleached my entire head, and that was excruciating. I don't know if I can go through that again, but the end result is so satisfying, so maybe I would. My head was like burning and itching for hours. I don't know, but I'm really happy with the outcome. It's now a little bit longer, but honestly I would cut it again, not gonna lie. Yeah, so my hair, which is crazy because my hair is getting vulnerable here, but my hair is something that I rely heavily on with my confidence. And I used to always have long hair because I felt like the longer the hair, the more you cover up and the more you can hide behind it. But cutting it off made me feel a different way and realize that I could also look good with short hair. So yeah. Also, you can do funky hairstyles like this, and with long hair I feel like it's just, there's too much hair to really focus on the shape of the hairstyle. I don't know. So yeah, my hair. Next, my friends. A lot of my friends are already in uni, and some of my friends have stayed here, some of them already flew off to uni. I never thought that I would have so much company during this time because I'm going to Australia for university. They start in February, so I would have a kind of 6-month gap in between me graduating high school and me going to uni. So during this 6-month gap, I thought that I would just be alone while everyone else is experiencing uni and living their lives, and I'd just be like here by myself with my family, and I'd be like kind of since the coronavirus went berserk and people had to make changes, and so a lot of my friends took gap years or they stayed here to do online school. So I never thought that I would be hanging out with my friends like every week until I go to uni and have people to send me off, you know. It's just been really great for myself, a really unexpected thing. Of course this situation is terrible, but you know, that's the one thing that I got out of it, is that my friends had to stay here to hang out with me. So the next thing is crocheting. I obviously had to pick up a new hobby as I am always bored and my hands need to do something constantly. So I picked up crocheting. As you can see, I have lots of yarn, even more here. Just a whole bag of yarn here and a whole basket of yarn here. But I just really enjoy being crafty and doing stuff and making stuff, so this has been great. And I don't know, I think it's really fun to make something and be able to wear it. That's why I make jewelry. And yeah, I just really enjoyed it. It was really fun learning all the different things, making all those granny squares, and learning a new skill is always fun. Next is a little bit bizarre, but it's eye kohl. Is this called eye kohl? I don't know. It's the eyeliner, but it's the crayon ones. So I kind of use them for eyeliner now. I don't use the whatever brush tip ones. I use these ones, and this has been my go-to thing. I will always put this on first. This is my deserted island makeup product. So I use the Sephora one now. I've gone through probably like 5 this year. I've gone through the Essence, the Maybelline, what was another one? I've gone through a lot, okay, and this has been the best so far. It is waterproof and it's got the little smudger on the end, and I just really enjoy the look of it. It's soft and you can go under your eye in your waterline, and I love that look. I just love it. So this is my favorite makeup product. Next is baking cakes. That has been a favorite, like just baking stuff in general. And I started a little business called Emma's Cakes, and I bake stuff, I take orders, and it's just been going unexpectedly well. I was so busy baking cakes. I would have 3 orders in one day sometimes. I would have 5 orders in a row, 5 days, 5 orders. It was insane. I've probably baked twice as many cakes as I would in other years, and I've just loved it. I've learned so much from just practicing and practicing and practicing, and it's been so rewarding because people are giving me feedback and telling me what was good, what could be improved, and I just really enjoyed doing that. I was just doing what I loved and being paid for it, and that is insane to me. And this is not even just orders from friends and family. It is genuinely strangers that found me on Instagram, strangers that found me on Facebook. It was incredible, and I was blown away. I can't believe people actually, trusted me and actually ordered from me, but instead of getting it from an already established bakery or cake shop. Like, that blows my mind, and I am so thankful for it, and hopefully it was worth it to them. Next is my gel nail machine. So I ordered a gel nail kit from Taobao, which is like the Chinese Amazon, and it has saved my life. So all of y'all who have crusty nails, who want to go out to do their nails and stuff, I've been doing my nails every week now, and they're always gel. Always. It's very rare that you see me with naked nails now, because every time I have naked nails, I can just do a new thing, gel it, and it'll be on for a couple weeks, and that is, I don't know, it has saved so much money because I used to always go out get my nails done, and now I just do it at home, and the price of the kit was the price of one nail session, and it has lasted me probably 10 sets of nails. So that has been super cool, and it's super fun. I genuinely love painting my own nails, so highly recommend, since we're all at home anyways, and it allows me to kind of pamper myself and also make me feel a little bit more, less like a slug at home. Next up are TV shows. Now, I am a film student, but TV shows really got me this year. I haven't been watching many movies, which is terrible, but I've been watching so many TV shows. I never thought that I would be a TV show binger, but with making jewelry, with crocheting, with just being bored in general, I have been sifting through TV shows and just, really enjoying it. Okay, so I've been watching, here we go. I'll probably do a video about my favorite films and TV shows, since, film nerd here. We'll see. Tell me if you want that. Last but not least, YouTube. Making YouTube videos have been really helpful. I am a film person. I usually would be able to think of like 50 different film ideas, but last year has been really hard for me. Being able to actually make content, make videos, edit, film, whatever, has been really helpful with my creativity and my, filmmaking itch. And hopefully I will be able to make more films in the future. You can watch my films if you want. I'll link them down below. It's on my other YouTube channel. But those are the films that I made a while ago. Just making YouTube videos have been really therapeutic for me. It's super fun, and I love thinking of ideas, and I didn't even expect anyone to watch them, which was the most fun part. It means that I was just truly having fun by myself. And yeah, another favorite is this camera and mic, so that I got this year. Let me show you. Yes, I am balancing it on a ball of yarn and on top of my laptop. But this is my camera. It's the Lumix GX5, which I was geeking about so much, and I finally got it. It is my dream camera, and it is absolutely beautiful. Rode videomic NTG, which is also insane that I have it. So yeah, my faves. Thank you so much for watching. That is the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Get out of my room.